பார்த்தீங்களா கரெக்டாக வருது போட்டதும். பார்க்குறதுக்கே வந்து அழகாக இருக்கும். நாம் இந்த மாதிரி ப்ரெட்டு போட்டு வச்சிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா அது வந்து அதுங்களுக்குள்ளே கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணி இருக்கிற எல்லா புறாவையும் இங்கே கூட்டிகிட்டு வந்து சாப்பிடும். ஸோ அழகாக வந்து இந்த மாதிரி வந்து ஒரு லிவிங் ரூமில் உட்காந்து பார்க்குறதுக்கே ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். பாருங்கள், அங்கே இன்னொன்று புறா வந்து வெயிட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்கு. ஆக்சுவலாக பார்க்குது பக்கத்தில் வந்து வேறு யாராவது வந்து மனுஷங்க இருக்காங்களா என்னன்னு பார்த்துட்டு தனக்கு எதுவும் டேஞ்சர் இல்லை அப்படின்னு தெரிஞ்சதுக்கப்புறம் அதுவே வந்து சாப்பிடும். You can tell something.
Yeah, so the pigeons, first time I'm seeing pigeons now in Belfast. Majority of the time we've been seeing seagulls because we are quite near to the sea and the coast. But the pigeons are eating the bread, as you can see right in front of us, and this is the first time that I'm actually acknowledging and seeing the pigeons here. Because otherwise we've just been seeing seagulls.
Yes.
And as you can see that they are enjoying it. This morning the bread had already finished. I don't know whether it was pigeons or seagulls who ate it, but as you can see the pigeons are very much enjoying this.
But if seagulls are coming, they compete with these pigeons, right?
I think so. I don't know.
Yeah, because seagulls usually, it doesn't let its own seagull to take their food. But pigeons are not like that. Usually it actually shares the food.
This particular pigeon is eating away. It's actually
eating away.
Very hungry. The other one will join, I think, as well now. Oh, yes.
But if seagulls are coming, it doesn't let any other seagulls to share the its own food.
Let's see. They might just, if they...
I think this is the first time I'm actually seeing, pigeons eating the bread.
You are. I saw it multiple times in London.
But usually, the pigeons eat the food when...
Oh, there's a seagull there.
Oh my God, seagulls are coming. Oh my God.
Maybe we might see a seagull.
Yeah, we may see fight between the birds. Correct?
Maybe, possibly.
Oh my God, see? Here we are, see?
It's come close, so if it sees that bread now, no.
See?
You never know.
You never know.
But
probably it actually fly away if other one is actually eating the bread.
No, not necessarily. It depends. No, bearing in mind that